Hey guys, so if you have issue with your Bosch refrigerator that is not making ice, so this is something that I found on Reddit and maybe it's going to help and fix the issue for you. So this guy just wrote here, same issue with bottom drawer ice maker. Suddenly stopped working. I changed the filter, cut the power, I tried everything and then decided to stick a wood skewer into the hole near the ice maker power button. I felt a click and the thing came to life. Nowhere is the reset button mentioned. The dealer had no idea, nothing in directions, nothing online. This was the last attempt same service call. So would skewer into the hole near the ice maker power button. So try to find it yourself, locate it, and then just press it. And people just wrote here that. And then also, I've seen refinement technique. Hold the stick in on the button and then count to 10. I'm glad it helped you out. It's above the ice tray. You have to bend over the button. I'm taking is inside the hole next to the illuminated green button. So there is a cover that you will need to flip out to see the green light and secret hole. So yeah. And also this one right here. Clean the ice cube staging, remove ice cube scoop from the tray, and push hidden reset button to the right of the green light. So this is something that you can also try to do. And you can just write into the Google that Bosch refrigerator not making ice. And maybe it's going to show you this one, and just like try to go with the steps in that Reddit post. So hope this video helped you at least a little bit. Have a great day and goodbye.